Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn part 1 of 12 country idioms with meanings and examples. Number 1, it's all Greek to me. It means something is impossible to understand. Example, the technical manual was all Greek to me. Number 2, go Dutch. It means to split a bill equally. Example, let's go Dutch on lunch today. Number 3, pardon my French. It is used to apologize for swearing. Example, that traffic was awful, pardon my French. Number 4, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. It means to follow the local customs wherever you are. Example, I tried the spicy food because when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Number 5, talk for England. It means someone who talks excessively. Example, she can talk for England about books. Number 6, Indian summer. It means a warm spell in late autumn. Example, we picnicked during the Indian summer. Number 7, New York minute. It means something that happens very quickly. Example, he fixed it in a New York minute. Number 8, all roads lead to Rome. It means many paths can lead to the same goal. Example, try any approach, all roads lead to Rome. Number 9, French leave. It means leaving without saying goodbye. Example, he took French leave from the party. Number 10, slow boat to China. It means something that takes an extremely long time. Example, the package arrived by slow boat to China. Number 11, London fog. It means something confusing or unclear. Example, the directions created a London fog for everyone. Number 12, country mile. It means a surprisingly long distance. Example, the farm was a country mile from town. Hey everyone, that's all 12 idioms from part 1. Part 2 with the wilder ones like Russian roulette drops tomorrow, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.